How to register with Tera Analytics at exclusive markets. Welcome trader. Sign up with exclusive markets to trade thousands of instruments with ultra-low spreads and high leverage, and get all Tera Analytics products for free. Let's begin. Go on the Tera Analytics website and select your chosen package. Then scroll down and click on the link to registrate. Complete the Create an Account form. Confirm that you have read and understood the terms and conditions and the letter of acknowledgement. Then check the boxes and click on Create Account. Enter the verification code sent to your email or phone number and click Verify. Congratulations, you have now successfully registered with Tera Analytics at exclusive markets. How to verify your account. Welcome exclusive trader. Verifying your exclusive markets account is quick and simple. This ensures that you have full access to the client dashboard. Let's begin. After following the process to register with exclusive markets, the acknowledgement letter appears on your screen. Review the acknowledgement letter thoroughly and click the Submit button to proceed. Now, complete the compliance questionnaire. Provide your personal information and click the Next button. Proceed to fill legal information form, and again, click the Next button. You will be directed to KYC verification tab. Click the Upload Documents button and proceed to verify your documents. Here, upload your proof of identification, proof of address, and you can also add any other additional documents. After uploading the documents, click the Submit Documents button. A pop-up message will confirm that the documents have been uploaded successfully. Hit the OK button to finish. Congratulations! You have successfully requested to review and verify your account by exclusive markets. How to deposit funds via exclusive payment gateway. Welcome exclusive trader. Get premium trading experience with fast and simple deposits. Let's begin. First, log into your client portal. Navigate to Funds in the left menu of your dashboard, and select Deposit Funds. Now, choose an account or wallet to deposit funds into. Available balance will be reflected here. After this, select a suitable deposit method. Here, we will discuss the exclusive payment gateway method. Exclusive Payment Gateway has several payment options such as credit card, e-wallets, Binance Pay, crypto, and wire transfer. Click on Proceed to Deposit button. A pop-up will then appear. Now, click on Open Terminal button to proceed to the payment terminal. On the Payment Gateway page, select a suitable deposit method and fill in the details. Then, click on Deposit button. Congratulations! Your request has been made and the balance will be reflected shortly. For further support, chat with us, or contact our client support executive. As soon as we confirm your deposit, you will receive an email with all the products included in your selected package, along with further informational material such as setup instructions, strategy guides, and settings explanations. For support or any questions, please contact us at support@teraanalytics.de.